Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys ultra power saving mode setting in Tecno phone device. Means guys you want to on guys your phone power saving mode. So how can you on it today? I will show you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see how can we on power saving mode setting in Tecno phone device. So when we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone. Battery lab setting guys. Tap here battery lab. Friends, you can see ultra power saving mode guys. Tap here. Friends, you want to turn on guys. You will have to give this permission. Yes, enable it to on it. Friends, you can on guys your ultra power saving mode setting. So after on guys, we cannot use this setting guys. You can see only guys. We have the three apps: calendar, messages, and phone guys. We can use it from here guys. So like that guys, you can on guys your ultra power saving mode setting guys, and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on ultra power saving mode and how to use. So bye guys.